Login to Moodle website. My Moodle website is https://suhasinichaurasia.moodlecloud.com. The link is also provided to you on the in the notice forwarded on the WhatsApp. Click on the Moodle website of the corresponding teacher taking the subject. Click on login. You log in as a user provided to you. Your login name will be your first name dot second name. This is sample user through which I am giving you the demonstration. Your login name is first name dot second name. Login, and login ID and password will be provided to you on WhatsApp. Go to site home, select the paper. You can see there is a PUT software engineering question paper. You can download the question paper and start writing the answers on the paper. It's downloading the PDF question paper. This is software engineering question paper. This is now been downloaded. See the question paper for BSc IT second year and BCA second year software engineering. After you download the question paper, start writing your answers on the sheet. And after you complete writing, you go to the Moodle website again. Go for the submission of your answer paper. Move down, add submission. Select the file, create a file of your document. Take the picture and create a single file of your answer sheet. Choose the file, go to documents, go to gallery. The file is stored in the gallery. Make a single file of your answer paper. Select the file, After the file is selected, upload this file. Save the changes. You can see that your answer paper has been submitted. You logged in as a user, so you see that user has submitted the paper, submitting for the paper. This shows date and time also when it has been submitted. After you do the submission, you can check your grade also after 2-3 days. Here you can see the grade. Teacher will allot you the grade. After you finish it, log out from the user.